Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house, right in at the kitchen on the countertop, Jamaican style, Jamaican vibes. I'm gonna make some Jamaican bulla cake. There's no other name for it. Bulla cake. Yeah, Jamaican bulla cake. Alright. Alright guys, we're gonna get straight into the video. Wagwan my peeps, I hope everybody alright and everybody stays safe. Alright, remember to like and subscribe as well, okay? I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm gonna add half teaspoon salt. You can add a teaspoon if you like, but I don't want too much salt, okay? So half teaspoon salt. And right here guys, I have 1.5 teaspoon baking powder and half teaspoon baking soda, and I'm gonna put that in. 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon mace, and this is the mace, the outer covering of the nutmeg gives it a good flavor, and half teaspoon Jamaican allspice. All right, and I'm gonna mix that up and I'm gonna pour it in. And now I have 1 teaspoon ginger powder. I have half stick of unsalted butter, okay? And I'm gonna dump that in. When you wash your hand, you wanna go in and you wanna give this a good little mix, all right? Alright guys, when you mix the butter with the flour, it's gonna be like this, like a little bit of crumbles. Now I'm gonna set this aside. I have 1 cup of cold ice water, alright? And I'm gonna add a 1.25 cups brown sugar. You can use 1.5 cups, depends. So that's 2 tablespoons molasses, okay guys? I'm also gonna add 2 tablespoons honey. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon rose water, half teaspoon almond extract, and now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons vanilla. Give this a good little mix, all right? And now I have my dry ingredients. It smells so good, yes. I'm just gonna make a little hole. You can put it in however, it doesn't matter, all right? Pour my wet ingredients into my dry. And to this guys, I'm gonna add half cup of grated ginger. Look at that, juice and all. Pour that in. And I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna go in now with a little bit of flour. And I'm gonna mix it because I want it to form. All right guys, when you get it like this is good enough, all right? And I'm gonna scoop this out. Go ahead and dust it with the flour. Put a generous amount, all right? Don't be scared. And you wanna knead it, all right? So what I'm gonna do now guys, this is it. I'm gonna put it here You don't have to let this sit for a long time. So after 15 minutes, 20 minutes of resting, that's good enough. All right. Now I'm going to sprinkle the surface once more. And I'm going to take this out. And now guys, you're just gonna press it out to the size you want. Some people like it thick, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch. I like mine regular. I don't know, I'll tell you after. So just press it out guys. Sprinkle a little bit more flour, not too much. And that's it. Just wanna roll it. Roll it to the thickness you want. Now guys, I have my baking sheet here and I put some grease-proof paper. You can go ahead and you can use whatever round edge you have, but I don't have anything. I don't have a big cookie cutter. But what I have these, and I'm gonna use this container, all right? Make sure you clean it out real good. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut some shapes. And now you just want to transfer them over here. And with this guys, you can make some more. So guys, it holds up to 6 on this sheet. And now I'm going to pop them in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes to half an hour. And then we'll see. All right guys, there you have it. They're so good. Yes. So guys, while they're still hot, I'm gonna take a little bit more of melted butter and I'm just gonna go over it. Optional, you don't have to do it, but when I do this, it's gonna make the crust so soft and moist. These Bulla cake, oh, you can't have them hot or cold. All right guys, woo, look at that guys. Yes, so soft and nice. I'm so happy. Woo. And guys, you can see this little bit of string. You know, see I ginger. You can bite down in some good ginger. Ooh, yes. So I get 11 and a little kiss. You see how soft it is? And the crust is really soft because I add the butter. Now you're waiting for me to break it, right? Say please. Please, Tiona, can I see the inside? All right, okay, I'll show you the inside. Can you see this, guys? Smells like heaven. And you know me have to taste it, right? Look at this. Let's taste it. Oh my God, heaven here. And guys, this is not sweet, right? It's just regular, normal. If you love your Bulla cake really sweet, go ahead and put 1.5 cups. But because I add my honey and my molasses, I'll do on a Jamaican pear, you know, them thick pear there. But it's okay. Pear or pear. It's good for you. And there you have it, guys. Wow. I'm so in love with it. Bulla and pear. And you don't have to make it too sweet, guys, alright? Watch your sugar intake, okay? Alright, guys, it's full of ginger, flavorful, lots of spice, real, authentic Jamaican Bulla. Alright? Bulla and pear. Alright. And that's it, guys. And you know what? I have to taste it with the pear for you, right? So you see me there eat piece? You just put the pear on it like this, guys. And you're gonna bite it. Oh my goodness. Heaven here, guys. Taste it. Oh. My bad so till. Ah. Oh God, please don't make me put on no pounds. Guys, love upon me and I love upon you.